adjacent schools, Bombo Kalule campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from senior 1 to senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
The people that we get coming to Mengo, we try to make sure that if it's a denture, if it's a dental procedure that we do, we make it affordable for them. And as we do that, sometimes we cut our fingers when we cannot run what it takes to make the services be offered. But I want to thank Unilever Uganda as our major partner in this, because your contribution for the services today have gone a long way in ensuring that the service that we've offered to the people is appreciated. They're able to appreciate the Christian medical witness and the affordable services that we set out every day to offer to our community. I want also to commend you for coming with the brand of Pepsodent that our technical people.
You just create problems for the rest of the body. So this is very important. Yeah, we recognize also the role of positive actions in society, what other people might call CSR, in helping to drive a positive impact in society. Today, Unilever touches billions of people in products that we create, whether it's for oral hygiene, your body, yeah, the rest, all the products that we create, even in nutrition, actually help to drive, to help people to actually live more, better lives. Yeah. So, and Pepsodent is just one part of that big.
To afford a toothpaste that they can all use as a family. You find that some people will get a toothpaste, however, the children will brush every day as they're going to school. The parents will probably brush once or twice because of the affordability. So that is one big problem that we have in Uganda. Number two, as Unilever, we believe in creating products that are very high quality, that we look and source for the right ingredients to ensure that we actually solve the consumer problem.